Hey everybody, just want to give you a quick shout out and show you what's happening with Live Good and why we're growing so fast. We're definitely creating a paradigm shift. This has never been done before where we are not requiring auto ship of monthly products. Our products are actually at wholesale, very affordable. There also is no recruitment required, but it is recommended if you want to earn more money. So I just like to, you know, log in here to my back office and kind of give you a quick glance of what I'm doing and kind of show you how fast this is growing. If we go to our genealogy up here, you can kind of see my matrix and some of the people that are coming in just the last 2 weeks. I've got a little bit of spillover. I'm bringing in some people. If you go to the power line, you can actually see that there's about almost 22,000 people have registered. Now, not all of those people have become members or affiliates, but I'm personally, 2 days ago, I had about a 50% conversion rate. So, which is incredible. And all these people are not under me, but they have upgraded through the power line here. So they might not fall in your matrix, but they are building the company matrix, which will gradually start creating more spillover for everybody. So, in 6 months' time or so, this could be very significant on my team. But the products are high quality, really good. I just ordered a few different products, the CBD. I also just got my wife the skincare pack. $24 for both of these. That's I think used to be like 30 a piece. So that was a good deal. But yeah, take a quick look. I'll leave my link down there below, and you can, you'll be able to get different websites. So once you pre-enroll, you'll be able to see the power line. But go to this site, register your name, and then kind of lock in your spot for the week. You do want to watch the video, and then so just go down below this video and click on the link there, and we'll lock you in. Our team is growing really fast. We're going to be doing some marketing and co-ops, so to really start building this out. So we're really kind of just getting started. So there you go. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.